All right, what we see here is a picture from your textbook. It shows a glucose molecule and another glucose molecule being joined together to form a maltose molecule. And so glucose and glucose are what? Monosaccharides. Maltose is a disaccharide formed by two glucose subunits. And what do these wiring diagrams represent? Well, they represent exactly the same thing as a ball and stick diagram, and every letter on these diagrams, like that O right there, represents a what? Represents an atom. So that O represents what? One oxygen atom. That H represents one hydrogen atom. That C right there represents one carbon atom, etc. But there is something a little strange about these diagrams here. I can use either side of this, but I'll just come right over here. There seems to be something missing right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. Same thing over here. And of course, these are the same molecules over here. And what, in fact, is missing? Well, this is chemical shorthand. And so we'll see this again, so I want to point it out now. What this represents to a chemist is a little shorthand, and the molecules of life are molecules of carbon. And so when you see nothing at where there should be an atom, what is missing is an atom of carbon. And so we can think of a carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom. Same thing over here, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom. So that's what that means. So let's look at the overall picture. What have we got here? We've got one glucose joined to one glucose. We can represent that like this. One glucose joined to another glucose. And one glucose joined to one glucose equals one maltose what? One maltose molecule. That is absolutely right. I'll get that right in a second. All right, that's it. Let's just remember, when you see ball and stick diagrams written like this in the future, when there's an atom missing, which atom is it? It's a carbon atom. All right, that's it for now.